तुम्ही स्टार्ट करा
सर. मागचे पुढे या सर.
ओके ओके. तीन इशू हा, दोन मेमोरंडम दिले, तीन इशू हा. आम्ही गव्हर्नराक बॅट दिवन आयिल्ले हा. गव्हर्नराक आम्ही दोन मेमोरंडम दिले आणि तीन मेन इशू तांचे मुखार घायले. पयलो इशू आमचे आदले गव्हर्नर आणि आतांचे मेघालय गव्हर्नर सत्यपाल मलिक जाणे एक स्टेटमेंट केला. म्हज्या नदरेन this is a murder of democracy the central government and the state government has done. It is a murder of constitution. आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनाचेर खून आणि आमच्या लोकशाहीचेर खून. देखून आम्ही आज गव्हर्नरा मुखार गेल्या कित्याक गव्हर्नर इज द कस्टोडियन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. As per the Constitution, the national flag, the national anthem, and the president or governor, depending upon the center or the state, they are supreme. It is the governor who appoints the chief minister and the cabinet ministers, and it is his pleasure. Anga amka खूप वाईट दिसता की जेन्ना आदल्या गव्हर्नरान कंप्लेन केली. वी आर येट टू सी द कंप्लेन. वी विल आस्क इट अंडर राइट टू इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्ट टू द प्राइम मिनिस्टर विच इज सपोज टू गो टू प्रेसिडेंट. हाचेर तेणी इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करपा जाय आसलें आनी ताबडतोब ह्या गव्हर्मेंटाचेर एक्शन घेवपा जाय. तेमी गेल ना. देखून आयज आमी जेन्ना गव्हर्नरा मुखार गेले आनी ताका सांगिल्लें this is a constitutional issue. He is the custodian of the constitution. So we demand immediately a white paper regarding purchases, regarding the expenditure during COVID-19. Because there is a serious charge made by the highest constitutional authority and it just cannot be taken lightly. So there must be a white paper because people of Nova or people of Goa who knows that they are going through so many difficulties, cutting this, and somebody is making mockery of the people's suffering. दुसरे आम्ही गव्हर्नरा सांगितला जरी तर ते गव्हर्नर गेले यू आर देअर एज अ कस्टडियन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आणि तुम्ही ताबडतोब एज चीफ मिनिस्टरालें रेजिग्नेशन घेवचें म्हूण एज पर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. आनी तिसरें आमी मागलां की ताबडतोब ज्युडिशियल इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावचें लेड बाय अ रिटायर्ड हाय कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट जज. सो दीस आर द 3 demands we have put before the governor and we have given also a memorandum. दुसरी गोष्ट जी आहा काल आमी सिद्धी नाईक हांच्या घरा गेल्ले. तांच्या बापायक आनी आवयक मेळ्ळे आनी आमकां इतलें दूख जालें. एक आवय रडटा आपले दुवेक, एक बापूय मागता आपल्या दुयेचेर जे मरण आयलें हाचेर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावचें आनीक फेर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावचें आनीक जंय ताका दिसता दॅट इज अ फाऊल प्ले एंड मर्डर जे लोक आहा तांचेर एक्शन जावचें म्हणून. सो शी मस्ट गेट ए जस्टीस. आनी देखून आमी आयज ह्या गव्हर्नराक representation दिला कित्याक काल तेंको जे पेपर आशिल्ले लिगल पेपर्स ते आमी वाचले आनी ह्या पेपरा प्रमाणे देर आर 3 problems this government has overlooked and the investigation agencies overlooked. Number 1, jenna Siddhi Naikachi body meoli, they should have immediately taken her to the primary health center, check up for any this. They have not done that. They have taken her directly to the Goa Medical College without informing their parents also. And in such cases, there should have been an investigation and medical checkup, medical inquiry by 3 doctors. What they have done, keeping aside the procedure and practice, only 1 doctor had done the postmortem. This is first thing wrong. The second thing is the viscera in such circumstances, suspicious circumstances, should have been preserved. They have destroyed. And the third thing, the full post-mortem, as per the law and procedure in Goa, is done on the CCTV camera, so that whatever they are doing in the post-mortem should be preserved for others. Now they have destroyed all these 3 evidences. And that is where the father of the girl is crying. He is saying they have not done justice, they have not done proper investigations, and whatever investigation done by the police is like cage parrots. Whatever the government wanted to say, they have said it. This is sending a very wrong message in Goa among the parents, because every week there are murders, rapes in Goa, and they are afraid to send their daughters out. Goa is also not only a domestic tourist destination, it is an international tourist destination. We are unnecessarily getting bad name. So, आमी governor कडे 4 demand घातले. Demand number 1, since governor is the custodian of the constitution and supposed to look also law and order of the state, there must be a action to restore law and order in Goa. Goa has become a crime destination, unfortunately. So first, restore law and order. Secondly, as parents are suspecting a foul play and murder, it is the parents who are demanding. And since parents are demanding, we have given the representation. As parents are suspecting a foul play and murder, the case should be re-investigated once again. And the parents has demanded that the case should be re-investigated and handed over to the CBI. This is their demand. And fourth demand, the parents has said action should be taken against the police officials and other investigating agencies who have botched up the investigation. Now these 2 representations we have given. We have also taken with the governor and said, see, ही एक लोकशाही आणि लोकशाहीन प्रत्येक पक्षाक अधिकार आणि हक असता आपले जे धरण आहा, तत्व आहा, पॉलिसी आहा, प्रोग्राम आहा, लोकां मुखार दवरपाक. आता जेन्ना 30 तारखेर TMCन पोस्टर, बॅनर, फ्लॅग लायिल्ले, गव्हर्नमेंटान एक सर्क्युलर काढलो की इलेक्ट्रिक पोलांचेर फ्लॅग लावचे न्हू म्हणून. बरें हा, आमची फ्लॅग काडली आनी आपल्यागे फ्लॅग लायली. तेंचो जो युनियन होम मिनिस्टर जालो तेगेले फोटो लायले. सो दिस डजंट सूट इन द सोसायटी. काल म्हाका खूब दूख जालें. काल दूख जालें 2 कारणां लागून. आनी हांवें गव्हर्नराक सांगलां की आमची जी होर्डिंग आसली, ही होर्डिंग लिगल होर्डिंग, आनी BJP जे लोक आहा तांणी होर्डिंग डिफेस केल्या, टेर केल्या. म्हणटकूच हें लुकसाण कोणाक जाता? तुम्ही काल आमची जी चार्जशीट आहा ती वाचली आसतली. 16,000 MSMEs बंद पडल्या. आता ही होर्डिंग जे गोंयकार लोक आहा तांणी ती होर्डिंग तेजेर कितें आपल्यागे पोट भरता, कितें तें जोडटा आनी आमगे एग्रीमेंट प्रमाणे जरी तर होर्डिंग डिफेस जाली जाल्यार लुकसाण तेंक जाता. लुकसाण जे गोंयचे लोक आहाय जे धंदो करता ही होर्डिंग घालून तांकां लुकसाण जाता.
I just want to mention
So
at
I'll
this
just finish
stage.
this. I'll just finish this. It's over. So I have appealed to the government last night. Please don't do that. Because you are destroying the livelihood of the small businessmen in Goa who are Goans who are renting their hoardings. So आता आमचे बरोबर Professor
Subrata Roy, MP
तो
Lok
दोघं
Sabha.
जण.
No, I just wanted to mention that I am receiving large number of telephone calls ever since it was revealed that Mamata Banerjee's pictures in the hoardings are being blackened and defaced. It just meant it has caused tremendous reaction regarding the death of Siddhi Naik. Otherwise, we had a very pleasant discussion with him. He has a lot of good words from Mr. Falero. He said he have become Vice President of All India Trinamool Congress. He is keeping track of everything. We had a pleasant discussion. At least we could ventilate the grievances at the highest level in the state as per our constitution. But these 2 points, further inquiry into Siddhi Naik case and inquiry into allegations of corruption made by Satyapal Malik yesterday, and which was shown on some TV channels, this should be further investigated at the highest level. Ms. Babul Shukri will say a few words.
You
I just want to add-
our former union minister till last month. He's also an eminent actor, singer. And we are very happy to have him here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I just have to say one thing. I think senior leaders, Savatara and Mr. Falero, put it very, very firmly and very detailed manner what exactly we met the governor for. I think in terms of the first memorandum, the allegations by Satyapal Malik is not, His Excellency the Governor of Meghalaya now, is not a generic statement that there was corruption in Goa. He has made specific allegations about COVID, procurement, about how the COVID funds were handled, how they were distributed, about the distribution of the food grains and stuff, how one particular company was given the oxygen, the contract for oxygen, and their delay caused about 3,000 lives in Goa. So in terms of making of roads and all construction and all of that, he has made some very specific allegations. So a white paper needs to come out from the chief minister, and on moral grounds he should resign. That's what we made mention in the memorandum 1. And in Siddhi Naik's case, I think you have got a detailed account from sir. We just want the father's wishes to have a closure in the case as to why these anomalies exist and why is the police not cooperating with them, and what is the biggest harm in getting an investigation done as to why so many anomalies exist, starting from the postmortem, from the complaint made to the police station, from the missing of the girl, not getting her clothes, the garments were not found. These are all very incriminating evidence which needs to be reinvestigated. That's all we requested the governor to put it forward to the state government.
Please listen to us very patiently,
very patient.
and very pleasantly.
We are very
Thank you.
thankful
We
to
are
the
thankful.
governor. and
Mr.
all. And
Falero-
we are thankful to you because we had been standing
Yeah,
with
Mr.
odds and-
Falero, since you are the national vice president now,
Yeah.
yesterday BJP president has demanded apology for making the cartoon of the Prime Minister, Amit Shah and CM. So what is your reaction? Otherwise they said
See,
they are
I
going to
have
disrupt the
not
meetings.
Seen it, but in all seriousness, let me say, if anybody has done it, I don't agree with that. I also don't agree the statements made by our Prime Minister that time, Didi and all that fun.
Didi, oh Didi.
See, we have to maintain certain decorum, norms and dignity in our behavior. If something like that has happened, I will look into the matter, and whoever, I am told he is a small cartoonist, but it should not happen. Let me tell you that. I will go through it, I will investigate, and I will see. Because we want a fair play. We want a level playing field in the state of Goa for all political parties. I know some people are feeling rattled by TMC coming in Goa. They feel threatened, and I don't blame them.
There is reason for them.
reason for them.
Infiltrate.
But anything what you have mentioned, I'm sorry for it. I will not like it and I will not approve it because this is not what we are for. Goa is different. Delhi may be different, but we are different and we will ensure that such things don't happen. I think they have already withdrawn.
Just
it.
one thing I'll add. Yesterday, in the last moment, how the permissions were withdrawn in the Azad Maidan charge sheet presentation only to the press that was planned. That also was not very uncouth to be done in the last moment. And very ironically and funnily,